Hi guys, it's David August University here, and thanks for joining me. And today we're gonna give you a quick update on the cryptocurrency charts within the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is up 9.2%, Ethereum is up 4.8%, XRP trying to find its ground, and it's down 2.7% after a quick growth. Even though there's a lot of stuff going on with XRP in the news lately, um, I would possibly stay away from this one, but if you guys want to go all in on XRP, that's your own decision there. Personally, I'm out. We have Polkadot at negative 2.9, and let's take a look at my favorite Celsius. We are down 5.8%, but I believe we will make a run back. Okay, so that's a quick update there. Now, today I actually want to discuss. A lot of people on my channel are asking about what's the best crypto exchange for day trading. So a lot of people have been asking me about day trading in the US, day trading in Canada, and globally. So for all my subscribers in Canada, this exchange will be able to be utilized in Canada as well as the US. So everyone from all around the world and US, obviously check your country when you sign up. But this is an amazing exchange that you can utilize to do day trading. Okay. Yeah, guys. So this exchange that I'm talking about is called Bybit. Okay, so Bybit is an exchange where you can utilize your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, even Chainlink, and basically do trading or leverage trading. So it's very advanced, can handle multiple transactions, a lot of transactions at once. And, it's one of the unique exchanges that, and it's probably the most popular one right now that allows you to leverage trade as well. Now, I wouldn't leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing on the trading side of things, but you can actually adjust your leverage level to 1x. So you can kind of keep it normal. But if you want to learn the leverage trading game, this is a great opportunity for you. So when you go to trade here, you have different modes. This one is more focused on um, if you feel like cryptocurrency is bullish, then you probably want to utilize this panel here. If you're more thinking that it's going to go downward trend, then you want to kind of keep your funds and where you make your margins here in the fiat side of things, USDT. Okay, the fiat pair. All right, but you can go on the website and do a little more research on that. I just want to show you guys the platform. So when you go to trade here, I'm gonna go to this one. Just gonna show you guys here. It's very quick. Okay, my computer's not that quick, so the chart's taking a while to load. But look at all the transactions happening right now before your eyes, right? So that means that when you set a buy or a sell, an open or a long, it's gonna happen. Okay, and look how thorough this graph is. Okay, as you zoom in, let's go to the minute here, right? Look at this. So this is using TradingView, which is my favorite graph platform to be able to view where Bitcoin is at currently. Okay. Now you can actually adjust your your settings here. Let's say you go to isolated trades. Okay, you can adjust your leverage from 1x, right, down to 100x or up to 100x. Now, if you're just starting, I would actually lower it down to the 1x just to learn the strategies. Okay. I don't want you guys losing all your money here. I want you guys investing smartly and efficiently, and just take it one step at a time to learn the platform, right? You can do limits, you can do market pricing, and there's some very advanced strategies you can learn here as well. I'm not going to try to teach you all in this because I'm still learning this myself, but there's a learning panel here, the Bybit Institute and the Help Center, which is very amazing. Yeah, here's the full academy. You can use multi time frame to improve your trading strategy using all the different, the whole playbook of how to utilize this platform. Okay, they have these constant promotions going right? Where you can win rewards, win phones, get big bonuses, etc. So it's a fun platform to use, and there's a lot of volume going on in this platform. It's all the day traders and the cryptocurrency influencers are utilizing this platform. And of course, there is a bonus if you guys wanted to kind of test out this platform in the US or anywhere else in the world, as well as Canada. So I will include my referral link in the description below so that you guys can get at least a $10 bonus. Um, yeah, there's a whole, I just signed up for the referral program, so you guys can definitely join using my link there. But I really like the platform. It's literally for trading. If you guys wanted to actually make a deposit here, okay, you can go to, once you log in, you go to deposit, right? And then you can say, okay, I want to deposit BTC. I hit deposit there. I want to deposit ETH right there. XRP, USDT, all right here. You just hit deposit, then you put in that address and withdraw it from your other exchange, okay, or your other wallet. That's pretty much it. It goes the same for any cryptocurrency exchange or wallet. Same process there. Okay. Um, yeah, that's pretty much all I want to show you there. That you can utilize this platform for day trading and leverage trading, and it's pretty good. So I got into the referral program for you guys here. So you can also join this program, and there's different tiers as you get more signups, which is rewarding. So you guys get a $10 trading credit. You can use that as a bonus for leverage trading or your fees, your trading fees, right? And I'm gonna include that in the description below for you guys, so you guys can earn $10 there if you want to give this a try. And I'll be sending out this link to you guys. Okay, I'll copy that to my description here. But really nice. I'm seeing all the big time traders utilize this platform, and it's very quick. I notice some of the other exchanges I use, sometimes there's a little delay in processing orders and things like this, and sometimes even the graph. This is just like super fast and efficient. Okay, they have different rewards here. There's also something called a fiat gateway. So if you want to actually transfer money in like fiat currency, you can actually purchase, like, here's all the countries of and currencies available in fiat dollars. Let's say you're gonna do Canadian here. I'm gonna buy $1,000 worth right there. I can hit buy now. Right now, they're gonna use third-party providers for the processing. So you can do credit card if your credit card will go through with your bank. You got to work that out with your bank. If not, you can do prepaid, or you can do one of those credit card gift cards. Hit buy. Now they will charge like a fee for the deposit. Okay, but if you want to buy directly, everyone has to make money, and every business has to make money. So that's why the third party providers charge a certain fee to deposit. Okay. But I really like I said, the Bybit Institute here, the Help Center, and the promotional offerings here. But yeah, this is a pretty much a kick butt platform which I'll be utilizing for my day trading. Now, I just like personally, I like day trading, but I am a hodler, so I hold Bitcoin and Ethereum and Celsius token and some other projects as well, and I earn interest on it weekly. But I also like to have a percentage of my portfolio for trading, so I can buy on the dips and sell on the upwards momentum here. So I just want to show you guys this platform. Once again, it's available globally. If you guys want to try this out for yourself, I'll include the link below in the description for a $10 bonus for you guys. And yeah, I'm excited for your cryptocurrency journey. Obviously, things are booming right now, and things are not slowing down. So this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but you definitely want to understand cryptocurrency, how it works, and how to trade it, and how to long term hold it. But this is just my quick explainer on Bybit. If you guys want to get in, like I said, link in the description below. And I appreciate each and all of you guys checking out this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more content like this, comment below. I want more. And in the future, I'll be doing giveaways as well. So please get involved. Please subscribe. And this is David from August University out. See you guys in the next one.